Hi, class. So I just wanted to clear up a couple things and make sure everybody's aware of where your course lives. All right. So this is the view that I think you have when you open up your course. You find the course by clicking Open Courses, and then you find this course, and you're looking at it in the Materials section. And then this is the way for you to find all of your assignments. So just so we're clear, like today, we met with Advocate of Words on Google Meet, and showing up and participating in that class did count if you were discussing. But if I just saw you in Google Meets and you didn't speak and you didn't share a poem, that grade isn't going to be very high. If you missed it, right, I did create it as an online discussion. So here's examples of the limericks, and here is a place for you to write your own. Notice that this is the grade, right? So either you're in online class and you write something, or you're not in class but you write a poem. You can still get some points. But let's just be clear. Any other day, showing up at Google Meets is just a way to get insight and clarity. It is not a way to get credit. The chancellor's been very clear that we can't tie attendance to your grades, but that also means I can't tie attendance to your grades. Showing up is not enough. I have to have the work done as well. So, for instance, if you missed Monday, it's okay. You missed the assignment. You can still go find it. It still lives there. In fact, the very same mini lesson is right here posted. I just figured out how to embed videos, so give that a try. I also put the instructional read aloud here. There is a document for you to use, and also at the very bottom is an EPUB, which is the whole book of The Hate U Give for you to download for yourself. If you have trouble with that, you might want to connect with Dennis. Apparently he's been troubleshooting that with people. Up here, there'll be a place with, on yours, it'll say something like my document or my assignment, or my document, I think it is. And you want to open that up so that we can see, right? It'll look like this. You'll have a place, you'll be able to write directly on this document, right? You can write directly on it, and then I'll be able to grade it right here. Unless and until this work is here, submitted, it's not done, right? So what I have for most of my students is they haven't even opened this document, right? And these are people, some of them were in class on Monday, haven't opened the document. I can't give any credit to that, right? So you need to make sure you're accessing the work in Schoology. Schoology is the course. Google Meet is just a way for you to get time with me so that you're not doing it by yourself. But you really can do it by yourself, and some people have been logging in at 3 a.m. and doing very well. So make that be you. Bye.